Really impressed with this. Turned out really, really nice. Bird here from Goat Bros, and today I'm out in my shop and I'm working on a very special project that I thought I'd like to share with everybody. This is a 1970 C10. It started off truck that belonged to a real dear friend of mine. He's been with our family and helping us out for many years. Matter of fact, he helped me build this shop that we're in right now. But he's getting up in years and his health is not doing very good. So I'd like to really hurry this project up. It's been going now for a couple years, been working on it. I decided I better move it up a little bit on the priority list just because I'd like him to be able to enjoy it for a while. So I'll take a little time and I'll show you about the truck and tell you about what I'm doing with it. But before we do that, we got something very important we're going to do first because it is hot. We've had those who've taken pity on us, so to speak. We had a special delivery the other day. And we've got this Cool Boss that showed up. Now this is really nice of them to send this to us, and we're going to try this thing out and see how it works.
I've been wanting to cut these for a while.
I know, you've been looking at it with that knife like you're going to do it.
And it doesn't want to cut. There we go. Finally.
Yeah, finally we get to open it up. This is kind of like Christmas, isn't it?
Absolutely. I don't ever get anything this big for Christmas. What are you talking about?
No, this is the best Christmas I've ever had. Check this out. It's even got Bluetooth. I'm going to find how this works. And lighting? Radio? I'm excited.
It's all assembled in there.
Yeah. This thing's a monster. All right, check this out. That thing's massive.
That is. Man, that rolls easy. It's got speakers. Look at this. You got.
I like the lighting.
That's cool.
Let's try it out, and we can turn off that fan and check out this.
You have a holder for the remote.
That's very important.
I lose it otherwise.
Otherwise, you'll never find it.
That's a heavy-duty cord.
Tim's C10 over here is one of the coolest trucks I know, right? That's a Cool Boss of a truck. And we've got a Cool Boss cooler to keep it that way. It's fun you come to see us. We have Papa Tim with us today. This is who I was talking about, and this is his truck, this C10 here, that he's had for many, many years. Tim, I don't know how many years it goes back, but it's probably
1984.
When I saw it, always had a cement mixer behind it and loaded full of concrete and block and bricks and sand. It's earned its own keep, that's for sure. It's been setting for a long time, and then we decided that we would go ahead and take on this project. Tim has always wanted to restore his truck, so we decided to go ahead and do this. So he's kind of got a few others involved helping us on this. I was working on the engine, transmission, the axles and the frame, and all the drivetrain. And he's had another couple of friends, Carlos and Mike, helping you out, working on the body. And they have just done a fantastic job on this body. It looks so sharp. And we're really looking forward to showing you all about it. My next to youngest daughter will come out and see you, and as you were laying block and brick out here, and call you Papa Tim. And he has earned the title of Papa Tim within his own family and even in our family. So we'll show you on the truck, it actually is titled Papa Tim. We're gonna go around this truck here pretty soon, and we'll show you everything we're doing to it and what we've done to it. But I wanted to introduce you to Tim, this Cool Boss cooler. We're sitting over here with it on, and I'm rather surprised. It's really not that loud, even at this setting. It is just wonderful, and it works really good. So a shout out to Cool Boss. Thank you so much for this cooler. Matches your truck too, see? Because I figure your truck is a Cool Boss of a truck. We really support American companies, and I'm glad to see that. I figured I'd give you just a little tutorial on this truck and what we've been doing to it, and kind of show you some of the things that's going on with it. We have installed an LS engine, and this is a 5.3, and it's been set back. We've modified it so it sets back in there. Still running the mechanical fan clutch on it, and we still have the factory air conditioning down there that we're working with. And up here we running the AC and everything in here. Trying to make it a tight package, but it works. We're putting in an auxiliary battery right there to run across, so it has dual batteries. We've got the wiring harness we're still putting on, ECM, which goes down below here. We're putting in there. We're trying to make all the factory air still work. The whole objective with this project was we wanted to upgrade the powertrain in it, but try to keep it as original as possible. So when you open the hood, you don't see anything really wild. You're supposed to look like it would have come factory that way. We've got it, the badges on it. This thing originally came with a 396 in it. It was an original 396 truck. It was a half-ton truck when it was created. It was a C10, but we have done some changes to it. We've changed the subframe in the front to the 3/4 ton 8 lug, and also the 3/4 ton rear axle. Give it a little more better suspension and such. We're working on the interior still. The seats have been done. I'm currently working on the dash. All the factory AC and everything's going in still. So we got lots of projects going on here, but we'll take you along with our project to show you what we're doing and how we're getting there. But it's really, really good job on the body and paint on this thing. I got to tell you, I'm really impressed with this. Turned out really, really nice. As you see in the back of the truck here, Papa Tim, as we've introduced him, he's what a great man. Tim wanted to have dual exhaust out the back, so this is what we've created. Along with, we've grafted in a receiver for the hitch. Nice bed liner in it. A little dirty right now. We've been having a lot of monsoon activity going on. All right, we'll go ahead and take a minute and show you what we've done underneath this thing. Like I've told you, we've put this LS engine in here. This is out of a 2001 Silverado. It's a 5.3. We've coupled it with this 4065 E transmission that came out of a 98 Corvette. That's what it came out of. It actually did. You can see where it had the tube on there. But we decided that'd be a good fit in this system. Of course, we've got custom exhaust with custom exhaust manifolds on it. Able to fit in this. We've changed the whole front suspension and rebuilt it all. It's 3/4 ton now. We're running all the heavier stuff in the front end with new disc brake system on it. This thing originally had drum brakes on it. We've built the drive shaft we've got in here for going to the Eaton rear axle. It's got 456s and a Detroit locker in it. That'll be a good combination. We retained, come over here, I'll show you. We retained the factory fuel filter and fuel lines, which run all the way up to the engine. But we have installed a new fuel tank. Instead of a fuel tank behind the back seat, now we've got one here in the rear. See, so we've installed the fuel tank back here, fuel pump assembly and everything inside this tank. This has really been a fun project. It's been kind of a project we just really enjoyed doing for Tim. Everybody that's worked on it has basically donated their time to do this for him, just because we would want to see him be happy with his old truck again. So that's what we're doing. This is why we've taken it on, and thought I would just share with you. I know that people have kind of seen it in the background a little bit. I always have plenty to work on, but this is one of them that I've been doing, so I thought I'd share it with y'all, and hopefully you enjoyed that. We got to show our new cooler. That is just so amazing. Even turned down low and it's sitting way over there, blowing over here. It just is so good. It feels so nice. The Cool Boss that's a great cooler. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this.
If you like that video, make sure to check out the GoBros YouTube channel, where we have many more videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe so you'll get notifications.